The M1A2 Abrams Main Battle Tank, a comprehensive overview. Introduction. The M1A2 Abrams is one of the most advanced and powerful main battle tanks in the world, serving as the backbone of the United States Army's armored forces. Named after General Creighton Abrams, the tank represents decades of continuous evolution in armored warfare technology, blending superior firepower, cutting-edge electronics, robust protection, and unmatched mobility. In this detailed overview, we will explore the tank's development history, design features, weapon systems, engine performance, combat history, and its role in modern military operations. Historical development and evolution. The Abrams tank series was first introduced in the late 1970s, replacing older tank models such as the M60 Patton. The initial M1 Abrams entered service in 1980, featuring a 105mm main gun and composite armor. However, with advancements in enemy armor and weapons technology, upgrades were essential. The M1A1 Abrams, introduced in the mid-1980s, upgraded the main gun to a more powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon developed by Rheinmetall, significantly enhancing its firepower. It also included improved armor, especially using depleted uranium armor plating, enhancing survivability against kinetic energy penetrators and shaped charge threats. The M1A2 Abrams, introduced in 1992, marked a major technological leap. This model incorporated advanced digital fire control systems, Commander's Independent Thermal Viewer (CITV), improved navigation and communication systems, enhanced armor and crew protection features. Over the years, the M1A2 has seen multiple upgrade packages, including the System Enhancement Packages SEPs version SEP version 2, SEP version 3, and the current development of SEP version 4, which have integrated state-of-the-art electronics, networking capabilities, and active protection systems, keeping the Abrams at the forefront of armored warfare. Production and cost. Since its inception, over 10,000 Abrams tanks of all variants have been produced, including M1, M1A1, and M1A2. The M1A2 variant accounts for several thousand units, either produced new or upgraded from earlier models. The production of the Abrams has primarily taken place at the Lima Army Tank Plant in Ohio, a facility renowned for armored vehicle manufacturing. Cost per unit varies by variant and configuration. Early models in the 1980s cost approximately $4.3 million per tank. Modern versions like the M1A2 SEPv3 cost significantly more, with estimates ranging between $8 million to over $10 million per unit, depending on configuration and contract specifics. Upgrades and maintenance contracts also run into billions, reflecting the tank's complexity and advanced systems. Crew and physical specifications. The Abrams tank operates with a crew of 4. Commander, oversees tank operation and targets. Gunner, responsible for firing the main weapon and secondary weapons. Loader, loads the main gun. Driver, operates the tank's mobility. Dimensions. Length gun forward, approximately 9.77 meters, 32 feet. Width, approximately 3.66 meters, 12 feet. Height, approximately 2.44 meters, 8 feet. Weight. Combat weight ranges between 67 and 70 short tons, approximately 61 to 63 metric tons depending on variant and configuration. The tank's size and weight provide it the stability and armor protection needed to endure the rigors of modern battlefields while maintaining mobility. Engine and mobility. At the heart of the Abrams lies its powerful Honeywell AGT-1500 gas turbine engine, capable of producing approximately 1,500 horsepower. This engine is unique compared to many tanks that use diesel engines, giving the Abrams exceptional acceleration, smooth and quiet operation, ability to run on multiple fuel types JP8, diesel, kerosene, etc. Mobility specs include top speed, approximately 42 miles per hour, 67 kilometers per hour on paved roads, about 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour cross-country. Operational range, around 265 miles, 426 kilometers on road, constrained primarily by fuel capacity. Fuel capacity, roughly 500 gallons, 1,900 liters. The gas turbine engine's high power-to-weight ratio provides excellent maneuverability, but it comes with the drawback of relatively high fuel consumption, necessitating robust logistical support. Armament. The M1A2 Abrams is heavily armed to engage and defeat a wide range of targets on the battlefield. Primary armament. 120 mm M256 smoothbore cannon, capable of firing a variety of ammunition types, including APF-SDS, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, high-velocity rounds designed to penetrate heavily armored targets. Heat, high-explosive anti-tank, shaped charges effective against armor. Multi-purpose anti-tank, MPAT, rounds, designed for versatility against various targets, including bunkers and infantry. The tank carries approximately 42 rounds onboard for the main gun, balancing the need for firepower with space and weight constraints. Secondary armament. .50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun, mounted on the commander's cupola for anti-aircraft and anti-personnel use. 2 7.62 mm M240 machine guns. One coaxial with the main gun, operated by the gunner. One mounted near the loader's hatch. These weapons provide the crew with defense against infantry, light vehicles, and low-flying aircraft. Fire control and targeting systems. One of the defining features of the M1A2 is its advanced fire control system, which allows the tank to acquire, track, and destroy targets with remarkable accuracy. Commander's Independent Thermal Viewer (CITV) allows the commander to search and identify targets independently of the gunner, enabling hunter-killer tactics. Laser Rangefinder precisely measures target distance for accurate ballistic computation. Ballistic Computer calculates projectile trajectory based on environmental data, target movement, and ammunition type. Stabilized Gun System permits firing on the move with high accuracy. Thermal Imaging and Night Vision provides full combat capability in low visibility and nighttime conditions. The combination of these systems allows the Abrams to detect and engage enemy armor and personnel at long ranges, day or night, in adverse weather. Armor and survivability. The Abrams armor is designed to provide superior protection against both kinetic and chemical energy threats. Composite armor incorporates layers of steel, ceramics, and plastic composites to absorb and deflect enemy fire. Depleted uranium armor, added in later variants, significantly enhancing protection against modern anti-tank munitions. Blowout ammunition compartments isolate the main gun's ammunition to protect crew in case of an internal explosion. Nuclear, biological, and chemical (NBC) protection system ensures crew survival in contaminated environments. Active protection systems (APS) such as trophy or other experimental systems are being integrated to detect and intercept incoming anti-tank guided missiles or RPGs. These features make the Abrams one of the most survivable tanks on the modern battlefield. Combat history. The M1 Abrams series has a distinguished combat record across several conflicts. Gulf War 1990–1991. The Abrams demonstrated overwhelming superiority against Iraqi armored forces, with minimal U.S. tank losses and a high kill ratio. The tank's firepower and protection allowed it to dominate desert engagements. Iraq War 2003–2011. Abrams tanks faced new challenges in urban environments. The Tank Urban Survival Kit (TUSK) was developed to enhance protection against improvised explosive devices (IEDs), rocket-propelled grenades (RPGs), and close-quarters threats. Afghanistan and other theaters. Abrams tanks were deployed to provide armored support, though their size limited operations in rugged terrain. Current conflicts. The U.S. has supplied Abrams tanks to allies, such as Ukraine, enhancing their armored capabilities in ongoing conflicts. Logistics and fuel considerations. Despite its power, the Abrams gas turbine engine is fuel-intensive. The tank consumes approximately 0.5 miles per gallon or less under combat conditions. Fuel supply and logistics remain a critical consideration for operational planning. The gas turbine engine can run on multiple fuel types, increasing operational flexibility. Ongoing research aims to improve fuel efficiency and integrate hybrid powertrain concepts for future variants. Export and global operators. The Abrams is operated by several allied nations, reflecting its status as a premier main battle tank. Key operators include United States Army and Marine Corps, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iraq, Egypt, Australia, Poland recently ordered 250 M1A2 SEPV-3 tanks in a multi-billion-dollar deal. The tank's export success demonstrates its adaptability and reliability in diverse environments. Future developments. The M1A2 SEPV-4 upgrade is currently under development, promising enhanced active protection systems, improved power generation for future energy weapons, better crew situational awareness via augmented reality displays, increased automation and integration with drone systems. These improvements aim to maintain Abrams' battlefield dominance well into the mid-21st century. Conclusion. The M1A2 Abrams main battle tank is a testament to American engineering and military innovation. Combining immense firepower, advanced targeting systems, superior armor, and impressive mobility, it remains one of the most formidable armored vehicles in existence. Its combat-proven design, continuous upgrades, and adaptability to modern warfare challenges make it a critical asset for the U.S. and its allies. For any viewer interested in military technology or armored warfare, the Abrams represents the pinnacle of tank design, a blend of power, protection, and technological sophistication.